Have you ever looked at your life and wondered, is this it? Not because life is bad, not because you're unhappy, but because there's still a part of you that wonders, what if? I think everybody has that voice. Some people ignore it, some people silence it, and some people spend years pretending they can't hear it anymore. I know that voice because I've been listening to it for years. People probably look at my life today and think, he's doing all right. I own an exterior cleaning business and I built it from nothing. It's given me freedom and it has taught me lessons I could never ever learn in a classroom. And I'm really proud of it. But here is something that I've never really spoken about. Before all of this, I studied electrical engineering. When I moved to the UK, life changed. Like it does for so many people. Dreams don't just disappear overnight. Sometimes those dreams are put on a shelf. And that is exactly what happened to mine. Starting a business wasn't part of the original plan. It happened because I needed to build something, to survive, to create opportunities. And over the years, that business became more than a job. It became part of who I am. People often think changing direction means everything before it was a mistake. I don't believe that anymore. Every early morning, every difficult customer, every mistake, every lesson, every success, it all brought me here. None of it was wasted. Can I be honest with you? For years, I kept telling myself, I'm too busy. I'll do it next year. The business needs me. I'm getting older. Does that sound familiar? The truth wasn't that I was too busy. The truth was, I was scared. I was scared starting over, scared being the oldest student in class, scared of sitting in a classroom, scared of failing. But something finally clicked. 5 years are going to pass anyway, whether I choose to chase my dream or not. So why not spend those 5 years becoming the person I've always wanted to be? This year, I'm starting my master's. Not because I hate my business. I love my business. I'll keep building it. I'll keep serving my customers. I'll keep growing it. But I also refuse to believe that we only get one dream in life. Why can't someone be an entrepreneur and an engineer? Who made that rule? Maybe life isn't about choosing one identity. Maybe it is about allowing yourself to become everything you're capable of becoming. I used to think success meant reaching a destination. Now I think success looks different. Success is having the courage to change your mind, to begin again, to become curious again, to become a beginner again. There is something beautiful about starting over, because every time you do, you prove to yourself that fear doesn't get the final say. If you're watching this and there's something you've wanted to do for years, maybe this is your sign, not from me, from yourself. That idea keeps coming back for a reason. That dream hasn't left you. You've just been busy convincing yourself it is too late. It isn't. Whether you're 25, 35, 45, or even 65, there is no deadline on becoming the person you want to become. I'm not sharing this because I've made it. I'm sharing this because I'm still on the journey. I am nervous, but also I'm excited. I have no idea what the next few years will look like. I would rather be afraid while chasing something meaningful than wondering, what if? So this is my new chapter. And today, maybe you can start yours too.